Hey everyone, good morning. So today I have handpicked these cotton collections for you guys. Now these are three suit sets which are in cotton. Top is in cotton and dupatta is in Kota Doria, and bottom again in cotton as well as cotton silk. So the first one here what I have is a beautiful blue ikat cotton top. As you can see, there is this light multicolored design on the top. Simple handloom cotton ikat weaving top in cotton, and the dupatta is in Kota Doria. It's in that daisy Kota Doria dupatta, which is in a shade of light aqua blue and in a combination of gram green and dark blue. So this is your Kota Doria dupatta, a very pretty floral printed Kota Doria dupatta. And the bottom for this is in this beautiful biscuit colored cotton silk bottom, which is in the same shade as that of the top color. Now if any of you require this piece without a bottom also, I can give you without a bottom. If you think you do not want this, I can give you without bottom. So here you go. This is your first suit set in this beautiful blue ikat top, dupatta and bottom. So that's your first set. The top is in cotton, as I told. Now the second one will be in this lovely block printed shade of I should say a moss green shade, and has this beautiful floral design. It's a soft cotton top. As you can see, it's a soft cotton. You can stitch it without lining, but with the lining it will last longer and will have a better look. This is the border which you can use for your sleeves or neck design, or if you do not want, you can omit it. Now let me just open this out for you. So here you go, this is the top. Now the bottom is also in the same cotton with block printed designs like this. So, and it also has a border. Now if you wish to, depending on your body measurements, you can also convert this particular top, this bottom piece, into a kurta or a skirt or a paddle bottom of your choice. Like, that is your choice completely. Again, the dupatta for this suit set is in lovely Kota Doria, which is in floral printed. It also has this light zeri border for the dupatta. It has the dupatta border. So this is your Kota Doria dupatta for this set. So this is a very pretty summery printed cotton set. So you have the top in cotton, you have the bottom and Kota Doria dupatta. A very beautiful simple casual wear that you can use for your daily wear. So that's the second piece. And the final and the third piece for today is yet another cotton set. As you can see, it's a beautiful combination of white and sea green shade, a lovely shade of sea green. Now the top is again in cotton with this beautiful soft small floral designs for the top. Now you have this as the border, which you can use for the sleeves or neck, or omit it if you do not want to. And then I have this soft cotton bottom, which has these small zigzag design, which is also in a lovely sea green shade. That's the bottom for the set. So here you go, that's the top, bottom, and a beautiful Kota Doria, again a lovely Kota Doria net Kota dupatta. As you can see, has both the designs of the bottom and also as that of the top. So this is your dupatta. So this is another, or the last third piece in cotton top and bottom, and a beautiful Kota Doria dupatta. So all these three suits, as you can see, are cotton sets with top and bottom in cotton, and dupatta is in Kota Doria. So just the first set which I showed you in blue, which if you do not want it with the bottom, I can also give you without bottom. Please do check the picture postings and get back to me on WhatsApp or Insta or FB if you would like to know the price and do your booking. So take care and have a nice day. Thank you.